Hi, this is Easy Tech Tampa Bay, and I just want to show you the new thing I bought. It's a JOBY product, and it's suction cup and GorillaPod arms. I bought that for my camera, basically, so I can connect it to any soft surface. So this way, I can use it like when I'm driving or using it for other stuff. So this is how it comes up with, and the suction cup and the other stuff that's on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and see what's inside the box actually. Alright. And usually I just unbox the stuff and I'll start using them, and after a while, if I liked it, then I'm gonna go ahead and put a review on it. It comes with the suction cup, and the suction cups, the way it works, you can be connected to the soft surface and you twist and it locks it. I'll show you that in a minute. What else comes in the box? It's little card, and it shows you how to, do it properly, basically. And what else? Let's see how this thing comes off. So they put the suction cup on here, but if you turn it around, you will be able to take the GorillaPod off. And it comes with a piece for the GoPro, basically. And it's just 3 pieces. Basically, you're gonna connect this from what I'm looking at the picture. The red side stays up and this one goes down. You just basically, so you're gonna screw it, and then you're gonna screw this one on top of this. So I have other stuff to hook it up, so I don't know, I'm gonna try this first, see if I like it. If I don't, I got, for my camera, I have different attachments, so I can use different attachment to it. It doesn't come with the screw, so I don't see any screw comes with it. Usually they should, but it's not there. It doesn't show it up on, see, this stuff doesn't come, they like faded away a little bit, so that means it doesn't come with the screw and camera. So alright, so this one, how it works. So I'm gonna put the box away, and I'm gonna use this, basically my laptop, because it's got the smooth surface, so I'm gonna use it, see if it works. So I'm gonna already clean it up a little bit, so I'm just gonna clean the part. I'm gonna install this here. So I just put it on, but see, I think it's like brand new, so it sticks really good right here. You can tell it moves my laptop, but I'm sure as soon as I twist this, it's gonna, there you go, I can pull up my laptop with it. So how good is this? So far I like it. It moves, so it's tight, so, but you can still, when I hold it on, it doesn't shake, I'm not sure it's gonna do or not, but we'll see when I hook it up, see if it works or not. But for now, it was just an unboxing, so I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna start using this soon and take some videos out, see if it, when I'm in a moving car, actually stands still or it shakes a little bit. I've heard it does, but we find out soon. Thanks for watching, and we see you next time.